Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the beautiful fucking Amsterdam. Today we are walking on the streets of Amsterdam. Why? Because I brought my car to the car shop to get fixed. And why did I go all the way to Amsterdam? Well, ladies and gentlemen, because my parents, when we still lived in Amsterdam, we moved away a long time ago. But when we still lived there, we always went to this car shop. And so now I have my own car, and now I also bring it there. And so you know what? Since I have to wait about 2.5 hours, I thought, why not just record the first public ever recording on my phone? Because why not? I don't even have a selfie stick. I have to hold it with my hand. So sorry if we don't have any stabilization and the screen is going up and down a little bit. I don't know how long I can record and stuff like that with my phone. I hope a good few minutes. And yeah, well, just let's enjoy a little bit of the of the beautiful Amsterdam. Let's go on this bridge because we want to get across to the somewhat busier streets. Oh, the light isn't perfect. Whatever. And for people that have a privacy concern, I'm trying to film not a lot of people. So you know, it is what it is because privacy obviously matters. I think you know I'm now walking practically backwards. Let's just look before crossing. We're gonna cross now. Gonna have to wait here because that is a car that's driving not too fast. Because you can only drive 30 anymore. 30 is nothing. He stopped for me. Thank you very much. Good man. Good person. And then here we are. We're going to be walking the is the Albert market. I don't know. I'm not sure. But at least we're going there. Or at least it is a sort of market. And where there's a market, I just want to go because maybe I can still buy something. And while the buying, I will put my phone away. But yeah, so this is probably gonna be uploaded in multiple videos. But whatever, you know, whatever. I mean, I also still have to do something. Maybe you guys like it. I'm trying to film a little more like this, so you can see the beautiful view of Amsterdam. And yeah, it's been a while since I last walked here. So currently I'm 19 years old. So this is definitely a while ago. We moved when I was about, well, what was it? About 8, 9 perhaps. So 10 years ago I moved from Amsterdam. And did I miss it? Never really walked anywhere anyways, you know. And for the parts that we did walk, whatever. I'm now going for the first time in the public street with my camera. Is this smart? Oh well, better hold on to my phone tightly because you never know what happens. Trying not to film all the people over here, you know. Always be wary of your surroundings. They must also think, what is he doing, you know, with his phone? And there we have it. The Albert market. Middag.
Hey.
Beautiful. If I go order something or whatever, then I might stop recording for a bit. But this is good for the social anxiety, to say it like that. Not that I really have that, but you know, it's just good to expose yourself to some new experiences and stuff like that. I think. I mean, maybe with my hat on, I look a little bit like a tourist. I don't know, maybe. But my arm is switch to the other arm. Oh yeah, yeah. I have to hold a tight grip, obviously, because it is and still is Amsterdam. It's beautiful, beautiful city. Live from Amsterdam, Italy. Scan and win tickets. Beautiful. People selling clothes. I'm personally not very interested in clothes. There's people. I'm not seeing something I'm very interested so far. I mean, the markets. There used to be a market where I always would go, and had a lot of rows and stuff like that. These days, it's not it anymore. No. Back then, it already went from good to bad. That's very unfortunate to see, but it is what it is, and so we'll just keep on going. But hey, maybe this market has something for all. Shoes, lots of shoes, flowers, perfumes. Beautiful. I mean, why do people still go to the market these days? I also don't know if you hear me. Good. There's an alarm. I don't know if you hear me very well in here in the market. Maybe you do, maybe you don't. It's definitely beautiful. Not wanting to film too many people, obviously. You understand why? But it's good to be walking here once again. It's been a very, very long time, and why not? Look at that, the McDonald's over here. It's always the same place where you end up, right? Let's look before crossing, even though it's a cross path. People will just drive and keep on driving. So far of the market, it's a bit disappointing. Not gonna lie. It has seen better days. That's definitely true. I'm not gonna buy any flowers because, well, I don't have anything to hold it with. So I'm really just looking for some nice foods and some good foods. Yeah, that's hard to search for. This is chicken. Maybe some good fish. Yeah, sure.